Sunday, April 2nd or 3rd. Haven't done a video in a while, and because I should have started this earlier, but they're coming to change the water meters. It's been 25 years, and the sellers of the house, the original owners, finished the basement. Thought it was a good idea to put the wall up here, which is nice. There was a door for the electric panel, and there was a little door for the shutoff for the water. But the guys are going to have to get in there to be able to work on it. Probably this is enough, but got a bit of garbage down there. But I'm going to take this panel off too, and then bag it. I'm going to start to bag this stuff. Yeah. And then clean up. Set their appointment up, come do it. Alright, I'll leave this in place in case I do put it all back. I got the door for the shutoff. Still going. Got a bit of power left. As much as I can before I start the vacuum. Take you back a little bit. So there's like half of that little section going now. Cleaned up. Gotta do the floor a bit more, but yeah. Recovered a couple of electrical staples here. Cable staples. So there's the water meter that they're gonna pull out. Cut it there. So yeah, they probably could have done it with just the top part out, but what the hell? Time for new. Or just get rid of this section anyways. Yeah, cleaned up in there nice. Don't want to use bell anymore. Probably don't need that. That's a take. Didn't have to use my drywall saw. So yeah, I could probably put the door back on here. I'm sure I could. I'll leave it open for them to get more light. Alright, over now. Sunday.